Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the left. And here we are. From here let's go to the right corner and tap on this button. Here we have access to other buttons we can manage. Now let's move to the left corner. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have the video settings at the first place. As you can see, here we have also at the first position the image stabilization option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.